In this lesson, we will rewrite auth user checks from controller to our gates. So we go to auth service provider, and as it is written in Laravel documentation, we do gate define in here. So we copy and paste, gate define, and what we need is publish articles. Publish articles. And what should be the condition? Who can publish articles? So we copy it exactly from here. So is admin or is publisher, right? And we don't need auth user here because we have user already from Laravel. So user is admin or user is publisher. And then we can replace name publish articles, gate allows publish articles. So here we don't need that. Okay, and copy and paste to update as well. So if gate allows, then we publish. In create blade and edit blade, we replace if with can publish articles, and can, and same in articles edit blade. Can and can. So we can test that manually after the change, and also we will run the test that we have written in previous lesson. So let's register as a new user. And let's try to write a new article and let's see if it's not published. So that still works. Published at is empty, and edit form still works. If I change something, update article, published at is still empty. And now let's rerun our tests. PHP artisan test. Still green, 16 tests passed, so we didn't break anything. And as a proof that we could break something, for example, you made a typo, so published articles. And now let's rerun test again, and it will probably fail on some step. As you can see, publisher can see published is failing. It doesn't contain published for the publisher. So again, it's a proof that automated tests are really useful if you are doing some core refactoring of really important parts of the system. And there are a few more gates we need to define. If we go to resources, find in path isAdmin, there are a few more places. So in AppBlade, isAdmin is checked for categories. And let's make it another gate, see categories or manage categories. So gate define, manage categories, only if user is admin. And then we copy here and change that to can manage categories and can. And also in that find window we had articles index. So here only admin can see user, right? This is questionable to change because it's not really a permission to access something, it's just viewing the column, so it's not that sensitive, but let's change it anyway. So again, gate define, copy and paste, and gate define see article user, only for admin. And then we copy and paste here, can and can. And we copy the whole thing to here and can. And let's refresh our page. Let's see if categories didn't appear here for simple user, and also user is not appearing. And finally, rerun our tests. So again, artisan test, and let's see if the tests are still green. Okay, we're good, and we have changed the roles into gates.